Hello guys, welcome to Cypher Finance, and today we are going to be talking about the Brise token. I'm going to be showing you the latest news, which you all know by now is the listing of the bigger token on KuCoin. If you don't know, it has been listed on KuCoin, which is why we are seeing a good pump, a possible drop, and also a resuming pump again. Then we are going to make the price prediction of this token if a cup and handle pattern is about to form, and what the KuCoin has installed for the Brise token. Make sure you watch this video to the end. If you are new to Cypher Finance, I make analysis on meme coins, post crypto earning site, and also airdrop. So make sure you subscribe so you won't lose on I also post any site generally, any earning site at all. So make sure you subscribe so you earn money online if you want to earn money online. So now let's look into the Brise token quickly. Okay guys, we are at the Twitter handle. Welcome back. And if you can look at the Twitter handle, not quite long, you see KuCoin.com listed Brise, the people's exchange, and you see grab the opportunity, participate now, build your wealth with Brise. 100 billion Brise are up for grabs. So the KuCoin are about to airdrop 100 billion Brise, or 100 billion Brise was sent to the KuCoin address for trading. Now the trading will begin. The trading has already begun. The deposited has already begun. You can now list, or you can now get Brise token on the KuCoin wallet. This is what I've been talking about, listing in a major exchange. The KuCoin is the 5th major exchange in the world, and the KuCoin token has been listed in it. So let's see how this is going to affect the token. We are going to go to the BSC scan chain, and I feel like this is going to make the token bullish. For now, it's not really showing because of the price of the Bitcoin, but I'll advise you to back this token because it's about to go to the moon soon. We are the BSC scan of the get token, the BNB BSC scan, and if you're checking it from here, a lot of people quickly, let's go to the transfers and see the buying power as of now. And a lot of people are swapping Ethereum, stake, swap exact Ethereum, swap exact Ethereum. So you can see there's a lot of buying now, which could cause a possible wedge. There's a lot of buying, and the holders is increasing, and you know KuCoin will also bring more holders to the get token. So the get token is about to take their next step, guys. This is a good token to buy, but not immediately because it's up as of the moment. Wait for the market to settle down. Now the get is a pump and dump token. I'm not really saying you shouldn't hold it, but it's a token that goes up and come down, and I'm going to analyze that in the chat also. So the holders have not been updated yet. The KuCoin holding, or the holding in the KuCoin has not been updated yet, and when it's updated we are going to check. So for now, sorry, let's go back quickly and we check the contract if it's not still renounced, because the last time we check it is not renounced. So we are going to check it again. Okay, now let's check it quickly. Now the KuCoin token is still not renounced, and this token is about to be a global token. I'm thinking the renouncing will help it a lot, so they should work on the renouncing. So that is the update on everything about the token. Now let's go into the analysis on the Gecko terminal. I told you this is what we do here at Cypher Finance. We analyze a lot of potential meme coins, and if you buy, I'm sure you are going to gain a lot. So let's analyze the Brise. Okay guys, now let's dive quickly into the price prediction or the chart. Now I'm using the 4 hours time frame for those that are curious about the 4 hours time frame. Now if you look at this token very well, it tried to form a cup and handle pattern, and if you don't know the cup and handle pattern, I'm going to show you. You just collectively touch the edge. Sorry, I'm going to draw that. Collectively touch the edges, and when it gets to the resistance, it's supposed to form another little. Okay, I'm going to clean that. It's supposed to form another. I'm sorry, having technical issues. It's supposed to form another chart upward, like either a down or a up chart. That is the cup and handle pattern. That's the chart it's supposed to form, but surprisingly, it's because I extended the chart. That's why the cup seems wide, but if I close it back, the cup would be a real cup, but it did not form the pattern. That's what I'm trying to say. After it got to this resistance at the 0. Exponential 6149 region, it bounced back immediately to the previous support, which is the 0. Exponential 7. I think it's 7 exponential 866. So now the question is, where is this token going? Is it going, if the pump is coming, is that going to be a resistance? Well, the copper handle pattern could still form okay, could still form. If not for the price of Bitcoin, if the copper handle could still form, I'm thinking we are going to have a very, very huge pump, and I'm going to show that if the copper handle pattern was successful, we are going to be having something like this. Just give me 2 seconds, guys, and something like sorry, I have to delete this. Okay, now we have to form something like this. We measure from the upward, and then we'll take it to this side, which will take us to the 0 point exponential 5 or exponential 621 region. Okay, if the pattern is formed successfully, because now the big get token was a big pump and dump token. Before, there was a specific pump. That pump happened when I guess it was after it launched a good coin, or the adapt. It was after the adapt upgraded their bit get dap. So this is the next analysis I gave to this token. If we could completely form the copper handle pattern, but you can give me your suggestion, what you feel like, and if we are possibly having a resistance, we could have something like this. We could have something like, if we are to come down, this could be our possible next line of resistance if we are to come down. Or but I know there's a lot of holders, and if we can check the buying, we'll see that the buying is more than the selling. I'm going to zoom it out. Okay, now we can see the buying is more than the selling, and that could be a good news for the token. But immediately after it hit the resistance, there was a huge wedge that brought it downward. I told you the Bitcoin does not deal likely with its resistance, and I'm going to show you is in the history of the Brise token. Okay, it's in the history of the Brise token. Anytime they hit a strong resistance, the bounce back is very deadly. Like as you can see, this bounce back, and you can verify that the bounce back is very, very deadly. So we have to be careful. We have to take our profit when we should, so we can wait for the Brise token to cross or to make a mark as this region. Make sure you set your trade. If you're in the KuCoin, you can set a trade, and if it crosses that region, that is the next possible target. You can set your limit. Also, I'm making this token because that is what I do in Cypher Finance. We teach how to make money online via crypto and other earning sites. So make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out. I'm also going to be making new meme coin analysis, so you can buy and you won't lose. That will be all for this analysis on the big get token. I'm just doing it to show you the latest news and how it could affect the token. As you can see now, the copper handle pattern is trying to form more vividly. Guess I drew the chart all wrong. I drew the copper handle pattern in a very awkward manner. Do not mind that. But that will be all for the Brise token. Tell me what you feel like is going to happen, and make sure you like and subscribe. Also, make sure to take profits. Also, do not be greedy, because the market do not have any sympathy for you. Thanks for watching, and many more greens to your wallet.